Hello YouTube, today we're going to be doing the quadratic formula, know how to expand and contract the quadratic formula. Now, as you see right there, I'm going to expand the whole thing right there, because you can see formulas like this or whatever, and you'll be asked to take it apart. This is where the quadratic formula comes in. As you can see, this is a plus and minus. And x will equal negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a over 2a. You will see this again. First thing we want to do, walk before you run. Know how to put it together before how to take it apart. Most quadratic formulas usually made up of formulas that look like this. There are two methods to put it together. You can either use the FOIL method. As you can see, we'll get x times x is x squared, as you see right there. 2 times 3, x times 3 plus 3x. 2 times x, first, outer, inner, 2x. These are the inner. And then the last is these two things right there with the 6. You combine the like terms. 3 plus 2 is 5, so that'll be 5x plus 6. You can see that again on there or whatever, on this part. Quick demonstration of putting it together box form. This is another method you can do if you're more visual. Obviously, you get another coefficient like square, x. You add another row, of course, but we're not going to be doing that part right there. We're just going to do the basic. So ignore this right there. This is 1 and this is all by itself. X squared, 2x, 3x, 6. Combine like terms. Because 3 times 2 is 6. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Look, that's a quadratic formula right there. Now, there are two ways of taking this apart now. The one common way, which will be the x squared plus 5x plus 6. I'm gonna do it on another board because I'm speedrunning this. You get formulas like this or whatever. First way to take it apart would be the quadratic formula. Even though that some of you guys know the factor method, which I'm gonna show in another video, in another slide or whatever. This one I'm gonna show you the quadratic method. Basically, the quadratic formula, you get the x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4a. Oh, dang it! I hate the board. Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared plus a minus 4ac over 2a. And we'll be using this formula. You take the b, you plug it into where it's at, and you get negative 10 minus 1 plus or minus 10 squared is 100, as you can see, 100 minus 4 times 4 times 10 times 12 over 2 times 10. Obviously, you can get your calculator out, do the basic math, plus or minus 100. 4 times 10 is 40. I'm going to go ahead and use a calculator. Ah, dang it. I used the wrong number. Ah, I'm an idiot. I used the wrong number. Scrap. You see B right there, but 26 right there. Negative 26 right there. and then put 26 right there. It doesn't matter if it's negative or positive because it's going to be squared anyway. So now you get 26 squared minus 4 times 10 times 12. You get 196. Square of 196 is 14. So now you get 26 plus or minus 14 over 20. And to find what x is, x would equal 26 plus 14. What's 26 plus 14? 40 divided by 20. X equals 2. 26 minus 14 is 12 divided by 20 and 0.6. And these are your solutions. And to prove it to you guys, because everything needs a proof, decimals. So this tab instead. Put a helpful calculator. How to use that for my ODE. I prefer a physical calculator, but you can actually see better like on there. And let's see, 10x squared minus 26 x plus 12. Oh, dang it. Plus 12. And look at the solutions, 0.6 and 2. These are two solutions to the problem right there, and got using quadratic formula. Other option you can use is this. Oh, dang it. I forgot to have to go back and forth. Other method, you see how the decimals and that collaborated. As you can see, the other method would be this one, where you take the A, the 1 times C over B, and you get basically 6 and 5, and you take the factors. Get 6, you get 6, 1, 2, 3. Now, keep in mind that that's positive, so you can't have just one negative, so you get 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. It has to add. I'm going to type it up because my handwriting is bad. But basically, the 2 blanks in the x column has to add up to get the result of B. Have to add up to get the result of B. That's 1. And then the A column, the 2 blank x and sides to multiply 2A. And these are the and I'm not going to use you blanks. It has to multiply to get that, but add to get that. This is it for the quadratic formula video. See you on the next one.